morning for everybody here in the school. Well, we live in a society which is made about moral rules. These moral rules were created by our ancestors, looking for the best of the society and for the children have the best developing in their life. We accept that the society needs change, but this change needs to be for the best of everyone, not only for one special group or for a type of person. But this is the gay adoption is a topic that is not a game. We are risking the life of many children. We are risking the future of the society. The main arguments that make us stand against the gay adoption are the instability that the homosexual couple have in their life, the problem, psychological and healthy, that have this couple, and also the consequences that have for the children if they live with homosexual couples. We need to understand that this problem and the gay adoption, if we accept this, we are destroying our society. We are destroying our family nucleus.